The purpose of this video is to talk about the care of your monitors, making sure that we're keeping them clean. The monitors will not function at an optimal level if you don't clean the backside where the sensors are. So the first thing that we have to do is make sure that we're buying the right product. Please use sanitary wipes. You can buy these at IHTUSA.com. There's a hyperlink that I'll demonstrate later called Shop that you click on. We have customers that will clean their monitors before they use them. They also have kids that will clean them after. The idea of behind cleaning the monitors before class starts. If you have students that struggle with cleanliness and a phobia about cleanliness, this is a great way just to say, if you would like, you can clean your monitors before class, after class. This will assure you that the monitors clean appropriately before you use it. Another thing that we would highly recommend is that you dry off the monitor before you put them back into the charging case, especially if it's the last class of the day.
Have your students take the heart rate monitor, turn it inside out, take your fit wipe, wipe the back of the monitor and the strap off. Take a dry cloth and make sure you do a good job of wiping down, especially where the sensors are and the battery connection is. Turn the monitor inside out and put it back in the charging case.
In the URL, make sure you type in IHTUSA.com. When you come to the home page, up in the right-hand corner towards the top, click on Shop. Then as you scroll through our products, on the second row, you'll find the sanitary wipes. If you click on that icon, you can add it to your cart and order it straight from our website. If you have any more questions about cleaning your products, please reach out to your customer success manager.